Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be a plant unboxing. I'm not supposed to be ordering any plants right now, but this one was on my bucket list or plant bucket list for a long time. Yeah, it happened. I will show you in a real update how all the plants are scattered throughout the apartment. I actually rehomed 10 plants. Now I guess I'm just down 9 plants instead of 10. I ordered from Dirty Roots MA. She has an Etsy and an Instagram, and I have been following her for a while on Instagram because my friends Kay or Sarah have both ordered from her and they say great things. I said in a previous video, it's one of my older videos, that I would never order from Etsy again because I got scammed on Etsy before. My only time ever ordering from Etsy. I'll link it at the top. But because I have friends who ordered from her and I hear great things about her, I decided to order. I ordered this on Wednesday and it shipped out Friday and arrived today, which is Monday. So everything was very fast. Looks like this. This paper at the top. She taped it down and she wrapped it in newspaper. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. She's also really nice because I DM'd her on Instagram asking her something and she responded very quickly. Okay. Are you ready? I don't think I've actually talked about it other than putting it in my stories one time that I wanted this, but I have been wanting this forever and I've seen it posted somewhere else for like $75. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I'm going to take a look at the invoice in a second. Okay. Wow, she packaged it very well. So there's newspaper and then there's more paper around it and it's taped again. And I think it's bare rooted, which helps me out a ton because you know I don't put my plants in soil. So this eliminates a whole process for me. That's my least favorite part of converting to semi-hydroponics is removing all the soil. Ooh, it's very full. Okay. Oh my gosh, the lighting is like too bright right now. Oh my gosh. This right here is the name of the plant. You can see that. It's a Scindapsus variety. The name is Moonlight because there's a darker one, but it's very silvery. Ugh, the lighting is actually really bad right now because the sun is kind of intense. There's just some crispy tips. I'll try to show a close-up of this when I have better lighting, probably in the apartment. There's just boxes everywhere, so I figured I would film in the car. Probably should have said that in the beginning. Oh, it even says on here to recycle all the packaging. Will do. That is right up my alley. Yeah, I'm gonna try to show it better inside. I was actually on my way out when I filmed this plant unboxing and then I got the notification that my plant was delivered and I didn't get a chance to look at the roots until much later in the day. The roots were wrapped in plastic wrap and then 2 damp paper towels, and as you can see there are a lot of roots. I was not expecting it to have that much roots. It is 90% roots and like 10% sphagnum moss in there, and there was a little bit of root shed. Not that much were affected, but it's probably from being in a box for a few days. I potted it up in semi-hydroponics. Majority of the leaves are healthy. Some of them just have those brown tips, and for some of the leaves I cut off the brown tips and I left some of the others. It's not a big deal because there actually is a lot of new growth. Okay, now back to the clip you were watching earlier of me in the car. I bought this for $40, but I saw it somewhere else for like $75. So this is actually really hard to find in the US, probably not so much anywhere else where I've been searching for this. I've seen it in like the UK whenever it's online, so I think it's rare in the US, but it just depends on where you're from, of course. I am so excited for this and I would definitely order from her again. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!